YouTube? Welcome and welcome to the channel if you are new. So today it's a big day, okay? Because I'm doing something that I have not done pretty much ever. And if you're reading the title, then you already know I'm switching from the iPhone to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, okay? Like, girl, let me tell you, Apple is getting on my nerves. Like, and I can't even believe I'm saying this because I'm like, I be going hard for Apple. Like, I love them. I love everything they have. But I'm like, yo, y'all can't keep selling me the same damn phone. Okay? Like, I'm getting tired. Like, I'm just getting tired. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to just go ahead and do it. I want to try something new. And I'm like, the foldables is, y'all is doing y'all's big one. Because I'm like, girl, everybody dropping these phones. And I'm like, I got to get one. Because see, at first I was going to get the Motorola. I was this close. And I waited a little bit, and then Samsung dropped. And I was like, wait a minute now. I gotta try. So, it came today. And let me tell you, Samsung, I mean, y'all wrapped that phone with, like, 50 yards of paper. Like, bro. I was just unraveling. I'm like, I'm gonna get to the phone. Because Samsung said, y'all ain't gonna say we sent y'all no bad phone, okay? It's a no. So yeah, I got it. This is it in all of its glory. It's just, I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I ain't been excited to do an unboxing in a little minute. So it's just like, yo, like, if you have been around for my channel, like, I be on hiatus. Like, I be here, I be there. I be like, you know. But the tech videos is like what I was doing, and like I was in the iPhone game, the iPhone case game hard. But y'all, I'm gonna unbox this. I'm so excited to unbox this. Like, y'all don't even understand. But before we unbox it, I'm gonna just run through some specs for y'all real quick. So, I mean real quick, okay? Because I ain't trying to bore y'all, okay? Real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna read the specs to y'all straight off the iPhone, because why not? If you want to see the specs for yourself, you can go to the Samsung website and they'll have it all broken down for you. You can even compare to other devices to see what is better. So the phone features a 37 milliamp battery, okay? We got wireless power share, and the internal storage, you get 256, 512 gigabytes, okay? It should be plenty of space for everybody. The processor that we got in there, we got a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform for the Galaxy. We got 5G, of course. And then the camera, we got a 12 megapixel wide, ultra wide camera on the back. Well, on the top, you know what I mean. And on the front face of the camera, we got a 10 megapixel, 10 times digital zoom camera, okay? And then for the screen, we got a 3.4 Super AMOLED, okay, on the cover. And then on the main screen, that's a 6.7 inch dynamic AMOLED 2-time Infinity Flex FHD Plus, okay, 120 hertz adaptive refresh rate, okay? So y'all can read all that on the website. It's on there, okay? Everything on there. You can read it on the site. It's probably a little blurry. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. But let me tell y'all how much it costs too. All right, you can go on the website. It's probably no longer valid, but I pre-ordered the phone and I did the education discount, and you got the free upgrade to the 512 gigabytes. So why not? So I ended up getting the phone for like $849. So to me, that's a deal, because phones is high these days, okay? Like, the folds is like, bruh, the folds is up there. Like, it's doing a lot. But they gave you a lot of discounts. You could do a whole lot of trade-in deals with a lot of phone companies. So hopefully y'all took advantage of that. But we're going to get into this unboxing. So let's go. Y'all, super excited. Let's rip these off. Okay, so it's in this little plastic. I just want to say, I don't like how the phones ain't coming with nothing and we paying all this money. I do want to say that. Ooh, so pretty. This is nice, y'all. I like this. This is nice. Let's fold it. Oh my goodness. Y'all. This is dope. I like this. I almost cursed, but yeah, this is nice right here. I like that. Let's cut it on. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. I gotta set this thing up, y'all. I gotta set it up. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So y'all know y'all get a USB-C in the box. You do get that, okay? And that's about it, of course. But I'm back because I did get these two things off of Amazon. I got a screen protector for the front, and I got this little iridescent MagSafe magnetic case or whatever. So I am going to put those on the phone. All right. Okay, so we got the Spigen Easy Fit that's going to go on the front side of the phone. Right now I have it opened up. I put my contacts on it and things like that. So I want to put this on there to protect the outside. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so this is everything you're going to get in the box. It is a 2-pack, so you're going to get some dust removal stickers. You're going to get your cleaning wipe. You're going to get a squeegee and the actual screen protector. And then you get this little cloth right here. So I'm going to wipe the phone off because I got my fingerprints on it and everything already. So all I'm going to do is wipe this clean. I'll be doing it like this. I've been putting on screen protectors for years, so I just have my own little way of doing things. So if I don't do them by the book, y'all excuse me, you do it, you follow the directions. But I used to work in wireless, so I used to do this like all day long, all day, every day. Setting up phones, putting on screen protectors in cases. So at this point, I'm pretty much a professional at this. So yeah. So once you wipe all that off, okay, use the dust sticker, okay? Use this to get any little random specks off so you don't see that in your screen protector and create bubbles, because that's not cute. You don't want to be walking around with bubbles in your phone, okay? You see, I see a little spot right there, and I don't like that, so I'll clean it. That right there. Alright, so it looks like all you gotta do is put your phone in. Hold on. You gotta take the back off. Durr. Then you sit your phone down right here. If you're watching it, like when you do this in person, you can see, you know, it going down. Remove that. And then you just take this off. And if you want to get, you know, if you see a little bubble, that's what the squeegee is for. You just squeegee that out. And excuse my daughter, this is real life. All right. So there we go. We got our screen protector on. We are protected. Yes. Okay, so now that I have made a mess, I'm going to open this case here. I got this off of Amazon. And I'm one of the ones, I'll buy the little, you know, El Cheapo, because it ain't that big of a deal for me. Like, I'm not hard on phones. So, this is the color. I hope you can see, like, the iridescence of it. I hope you can see that. Alright. Let's put that on the phone. Put this on the back. I did get the purple one. You can't really tell, though, from the lighting. But, yes, I got the purple because I love purple. So we're just going to get this on. Okay. I think that fits pretty decent there. And then put this on the top. Ooh, it is so cute. It's got a little MagSafe. And I got that because, you know, I got a charger in my car that's MagSafe. And, you know, I'm still going to carry my iPhone around. So, yeah. So, it fits okay to me. It's not, like, the best because, like, it's an El Cheapo, okay? So, yeah. It's cute. But that's my unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. And I'm going to come back to y'all and tell y'all how this is. I plan on using this phone every day. So, yeah, I'm super excited for this phone. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. Y'all be sure to come back to my channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, send me some comments. You know, do something. It's free. Talk to me. I mean, if you got some recommendations for videos and all that stuff, I'm open to all your suggestions. So, yeah. Y'all just do what it do on the channel. And I'll holler at y'all later. Bye.